Hello future lawyers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. As you must be aware that the AP LAWCET Phase 1 counseling dates has been released by authorities. In this video we'll be discussing in detail about the official counseling dates for registration, web option and seat allotment. Also, we'll be highlighting some of the important documents that you need during the whole counseling process along with the application fees. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So as you can see here, the registration form has started from 8 September and it will close on 11 September. The verification for the document uploaded during the registration process will be carried out between 9 September to 12 September. After completion of the document verification, the web option process will start, which is scheduled to start from 12 September and it will end on 14 September. All the candidates who have registered for the phase 1 counseling will have date till 15th September to change the options filled during the web options round. However, candidate must note that if you however forget to fill the options for phase 1 counseling before 14th September, then you won't be able to fill the fresh counseling on 15th September. The 15th September portal will be open only for the candidate who have successfully filled the web option between 12 to 14th September. So on 15th September, only the candidate who have filled the options will be eligible to change the options. You can reshuffle the options or add new options based on your requirement. And based on the options filled by the candidate, authorities will be releasing the seat allotment result for phase 1 on 17 September 2025. And the self-reporting process for the phase 1 will be conducted between 18 September to 19 September. So if you are a new candidate who have not registered for the phase 1 counseling, can click on the candidate registration on the top in the first option and fill out the application. However, if you have filled the option and wanted to know the status of the payment or the application, then you can click on the second and third option. If you have uploaded any document and wishes to re-upload the document, then you can click on the fourth option. And if you want to take the printout of the filled application, then you can click on the fifth option. Candidates are advised to take the printout of the filled application. It will help you in the end process when the final allotment comes out. Sometimes it happens very rarely that authorities commit some kind of mistake which required some verification from the application filled during the phase 1. So candidates are advised to take out the application form printout and keep it in the PDF format. Now that you are aware of how to fill out the application and where to click and fill the round 1 application form, next you must be wondering which and all documents you need during the application process. So here are the list of documents, which includes first of all the rank card and hall ticket. These documents you might not be required to upload it, while there are few documents like transfer certificate or SSC marks which you might be required to upload. However, these documents are from A to Z, that which means you need these documents right from, like, if you want to fill out the application, you need the hall ticket number. So obviously you will need the rank card and hall ticket so that you can fill out the application. In the same way, you need transfer certificate, you need your SSC marks, then you need 7 years of study from first appearance of qualifying marks, then your residence certificate for preceding. Next, you need your latest income certificate, means your parents' latest income certificate containing a name of the candidate. Also, you need your Aadhaar card or any government ID like PAN, driving license. Then you need your caste certificate while filling out the round 1 application. Then you need your PH. If you belong to any specific quota, then you need the certificate for the same. If you belong to a minority community, then you need the certificate for the same, which must be containing minority status or certificate from the headmasters. Next, if you belong to EWS category, then you need the EWS certificate valid from year 2025-6 from Me Sevagram Sachivalayam for OC candidate who want to claim reservation under EWS category if applicable. There is a specific section called detailed notification. You can click on that and check out the whole process of, like, what and all document you need and during the phase 1 counseling process. Also, you need to pay a non-refundable fee of rupees 500 for SC, ST and PH category for lower category, and for all the rest of the other category you need to pay rupees 1000 at the application fee for round 1 counseling. The payment must be paid through the payment gateway. Like when you click on the application form, from there you can pay the payment for of application form. Also you can check the status for the same. Rest for the whole detail for the counseling I have already explained to you. The classes for the round 1 is scheduled to start from 18 September 2025. Rest all the document can be checked here. Here is the eligibility of admission which can be checked in the same document. Rest that's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you have any queries related to AP LAWCET counseling, then you can quote the same in the comment section, or you can add the question for the same in the comment section. Our team will be replying for the same. Thank you.